Hello guys, welcome. This is me Abhinay, your own technical analyst from the CK crew. First of all, this video is not gonna be any financial advice. This is only for the educational purpose only, and this video will consist of will have a Bitcoin market update from where we left off last week. First of all, I wanna tell you that I told you that I will make a video on value area low, value area high, and point of control that how that work and what's the significance of them in judging a level or you can say pointing out that if a level will hold or not. But as you would know that my exams are going on, which I have updated in Discord, so those videos will be 2 or 3 days late. So I apologize for that, but I will try to make it as soon as possible. So let's just look into the Bitcoin without wasting any time. So the last week we were trading somewhere around here. When I said that, I am still watching it and I am looking for the reaction we get from this major resistance zone, this important resistance zone which I had pointed here. And I said I would expect multiple attempts here to break it. And what you can see, we got there, got a touch of it and retraced and found support here. And then we got up, again rejection, again here, and now we again tried and we swing failure this low, this one, and now having a retracement. So first of all, when you see this chart, what you would say is on the first attempt we got rejected harshly, and on the second attempt the amount of dump here you can see. In the first attempt we got almost 9% retracement, but in the second one the retracement was around 6%, you can say 5.5%. So what we can see is retracement or rejection from the resistance is getting smaller, which is a kind of indication that the resistance is getting weaker. And if resistance is getting weaker, or you can say the rejections from the resistance are getting smaller, then we could expect this resistance to break soon. We have already got 3 attempts and we could expect the break of this soon. Or you can also see this as an ascending triangle. However, it doesn't guarantee, but these signs indicate that the probability of breaking this resistance to upside is more than to break this support downward. Downside, as you know, we have the small intraday level sitting around 36,750 and major level around 35,800 to 36,000 region. I forgot to mark those here because I am making video straight away from my exam. So let's just mark it 35,800 and 36,750. So this is an intraday level, means you can say a small support region, and this is a big support region. And then what we have above it is our minor resistance around 40,800 and the major resistance around 42,000 level, which you would see that is coming around confluence of the technical target of this ascending triangle if it forms further and then breaks up. From an ascending triangle view, we can say that we have A, B, C, D, and now E wave going on. So after fifth wave, we usually see break to the triangle. So we could expect a consolidation run towards here or a drop towards here and then break up, or we could eventually break it up without forming a perfect ascending triangle. The ascending triangle, just for reference, I only prefer to see the pullbacks getting smaller and the rejections getting smaller. The major resistance still sitting around 42,000 level, and flip of this resistance as a support on higher time frames such as daily and weekly would shift my confidence very high towards coming off this region, 453,000 region. And why I think 53,000, a test of 53,000 would come soon is already mentioned in my earlier video. So if you haven't, please go check it out. Looking on the RSI on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we have got nothing here, nothing. On the daily, nothing here. On the 4 hour, we had some bullish divergence here, as you know, but it seems like bullish divergence were in 4 hour time frame and those have already played out. However, in the 4 hour time frame, RSI still has lot of room to get above, as you can see. It's how it came to my MACD, man. So as you can see, RSI is just around 60 level and has lot of room to grow in the 4 hour time frame. See, so it would be wise to not expect any kind of wild dump anytime soon, especially till this support 35,800 is holding us actively as support. So now let's look it from an Elliott wave perspective. If we consider this as a finished phi wave, then what we can see is we actually had our first finished here. We might consider this as a complex correction, but this is not looking alright to me. So from an Elliott wave perspective, I am looking for a decisive break of range, decisive break of this high. We could, as you know, we could still be, this could still be 4 with a one-to-one extension towards that 42k level as an ABC into 4, then 5 down to the expanded flat targets given there. But I am in side of running flat as being more probable. Also, this channel's midline is acting as resistance here. This is the same channel which is being followed from the dump of we had in November. You can see here, you can see we were in around 60s. Also, this channel was having significance here too. So that's it for today. I don't think there are any kind of major changes till that range breaks up. I hope you liked it, and if you did, smash the like. See you in the next one.